This person got 752 million views last 18 days. This person got 77 million views. This person got 23 million views in last 30 days. Can you imagine? Those all person got these views only copy paste work. So if you are really interested to copy paste work and then make money online, please keep watch full video. Don't skip any moment, and every second is very very important because I'll show you everything. At first, I'm going to first channel. You can see this is a copy paste work and copy paste every video 4.1.4, 4.3, 1.5 millions, 4.3 millions, 4.2 millions, 1.9, 9.9, 3 millions views. And the most popular video, 65 millions views. I cannot believe this. Then I'm going to another channel. You can see this is a really, really good and beautiful channel. So how to create this video and how to collect a video. Keep watch. First, I'm going to youtube.com. Then you scroll some shorts. Example of I scroll down, 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 down. So at first going to share, then copy link, then go to YouTube, just type YouTube downloader, then paste and download. Then going to canva.com. You know Canva is a absolutely free video and photo editing software. You can start right now. This link I will attach in description below. This is a Canva dashboard, so you can create lots of video. Here are millions of free and paid template here. So you can choose anyone. This doesn't matter. So I can choose custom size, then put your size on. Now put here your downloaded video. Example of I already downloaded lots of video. Example of this video. First I'm going to background trim, then put your video example of if you want to show your face here, then record some 10 or 50 15-second video, then put your video here. It's create your mobile phone, don't worry. Otherwise, if you don't want to show your face, then go to here, then just type image. Then you can see here the lots of video, the reaction, example of react, woman react. Just type, then click here. This is a video, then put here. And you put some image, full of imaging, just click here. Then you need to recorrection it, example of 15 seconds. Playback, you need to some edit, sound 0 for copyright strike. Then that's it. This is really really beautiful. Now you need to download this. Just go to share, download, and MP4. Just click download. Then go to your YouTube studio. Then put your video. Then publish. I guarantee you, if you keep consistency, minimum 6 months, you got around 100 millions plus views. I guarantee you. So others video want to others video in this topic, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. See you next video. Thank you.